how many views do you actually need to start making money on YouTube? There is no excuse for you to make a video, maybe even 10 minutes long, start getting paid. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm filming on my front facing camera, so excuse me if I look at myself every now and then. I'm not used to doing this. This video is specifically focused on long form YouTube videos, not YouTube shorts. So if you're a small YouTuber just like me trying to grow your channel, you're probably looking at that 4,000 watch hour mark and wondering, when will I hit it? 4,000 watch hours seems so long. Am I ever going to hit it? Is there a way I can hit that goal faster? Well, you have clicked on the right video, guys. I'm going to share some things with you that have helped me rationalize, reason, break down the number to help me reach that goal without stressing too much about how large of a number that is. So stick with me, let's get into it. There will be a little bit of quick mathematics, but I'll do all the numbers for you on the screen. So just bear with me and stick till the end and you'll understand what I mean. Okay, so let's break it down. Number one, what is a watch hour? What is one single watch hour? Forget the word watch hour. I think that's what makes this so confusing. One watch hour simply equals 1 hour. Yes, the same hour that we deal with on our daily 24-hour basis. It is one of those. YouTube requires you to hit 4,000 watch hours, which is equivalent to 240,000 minutes. So 4,000 multiplied by 60 minutes equals 240,000 minutes. That is what you are required to hit to get monetized on YouTube with 1,000 subscribers, of course. And you need to hit those numbers within a time period of 12 months. Okay, so I think we are all good up to now. The concept is pretty easy to grasp. So number two, how many views is in one watch hour? How many people or views will it take to watch your videos to achieve 1 hour of watch time? So as I'm sure we all know, or I hope we all know, there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. So for example, if you post a video that is 5 total minutes long, 60 minutes, so 1 hour, divided by your 5-minute video equals 12, meaning you would need 12 views or 12 people to watch the entire length of your 5-minute video to reach 1 watch hour of view time. Okay, so again, that is simple enough to grasp. Our example is using a 5-minute video. So to answer the question of how many views do you actually need to start making money on YouTube? How many views or how many people do we need to watch our video to hit 4,000 watch hours? So from our previous example, the calculation is super simple. We're going to use the same example of uploading a 5-minute video. So we know that to hit 1 watch hour, we need 12 views. So simply multiply 12 by 4,000 watch hours, and we have a total of, drumroll please, 48,000 views or 48,000 people. My phone just cut off because it's overheating. But guys, deep it, you just need 48,000 views on a 5-minute video to get monetized on YouTube, to start getting paid. There is no excuse for you to make a video, maybe even 10 minutes long, and have people watch at least 5 minutes of it. It's very doable. And imagine if you're making multiple videos, maybe 10, 15 or 20 minutes long, you can actually get monetized if you post frequently enough. The views will stack up and eventually you will hit that 4,000 watch hour mark. Yes, I know, easier said than done. This is all theory at the end of the day. But when you break it down like this, I personally love to do this because it just makes the number less daunting. This isn't all the views you need to get in one video. This is the amount of views you need to get across your whole entire channel. You can easily do that. And of course, in reality, it does all depend on your audience retention and your video length. I know I also just lose my attention span when I hear the words audience retention, but it's necessary to talk about. So audience retention is basically how long people are watching your video for. You might post a 20-minute video, but your audience may only watch 2 minutes of that video. So if you can increase your audience retention, you can hit that 4,000 hour watch mark quicker. Of course, if you post a 5-minute video, realistically, not everyone is going to stick around and watch the whole 5 minutes. But if you have a long video length and you can get people to stick around for even 5 minutes, you will hit that 4,000 hour watch mark in no time, and the subscribers will naturally come along. I think they all just work in sync together. So guys, before my phone overheats again, I am going to leave that with you, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you would like more YouTube growth, small creator content, because I am loving creating these types of videos. So please do comment below, subscribe, like, comment, share, support a small creator. Otherwise guys, I will see you in my next video, and I wish you all the best on your YouTube journey. Bye.